Good morning to one and all. Welcome to BSc final year and 5th semester. Hope you are well and safe. Dear students, we are going to see now about the introduction to operational research. The topics we are going to see: introduction to operational research, history of operational research in India, definition of operational research, features of operational research, scope of operational research, methodology, tools of operational research, limitations of operational research. Introduction to operational research. Operational research is a systematic and analytical approach to decision making and problem solving. It is typically concerned with determining the maximum profit, sale, output, crops, yield, and efficiency. And minimum means losses, risk, cost, and time of the some objective function. Primary tools of operational researchers are statistics, game theory, probability theory, etc. History of operational research. There is no clear history that marks the birth. It is generally accepted that the field originated in England during the World War II. Says that Charles Babbage is the father of war. Modern operation research originated at Boudsey Research Station in UK in 1937. Operational research in India. Operational Research Society of India was founded in 1957 in order to provide opportunity to professional students to equip themselves with the knowledge and usage of science of operational research. The society is conducting an examination on graduate diploma in operational research since 1973. Definition of operational research. Arthur Clarke defined that it's an act of winning wars without actually fighting. It is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. It is art of giving bad answers to the problem which otherwise have worse answers. Features of operational research. Decision making, scientific approach, interdisciplinary team approach, system approach, use of computers, objectives, human factors. Decision making. Every industrial organization faces multifaceted problems to identify best possible solution to their problems. OR aims to help the executives to obtain optimal solution. Scientific approach. OR applies scientific methods, techniques and tools for the purpose of analysis and solution of the complex problems. Basically, the industrial problems are of complex nature and therefore require a team effort to handle it. System approach. The main aim of the system approach is to trace out all significant and indirect effects for each proposal and all subsystem on a system and to evaluate each action in terms of effects for the system as a whole. Use of computers. In the modern world, computers is essential. The computers is essential in every day activities of life for teachers, and then for software solution, and then in every activities of life. The models of war need lot of computation, and therefore the use of computers become necessary. With the use of computers, it is possible to handle complex problems requiring large amount of calculation. The objective of operational research models is to attempt and to locate best optimal solution. Objective. The operational research always try to find the best and optimal solution to the problem. For this purpose, objectives of the organization are defined and analyzed. Human factors. In deriving quantitative solutions which do not consider human factors which doubtlessly play a great role in problems. Scope of operational research. The scope of OR is not only confined to any specific agency like defense services, but today it is widely used in all industrial organizations. Fields, use of fields, the fields of war. It is used in national planning and budgeting, defense services, industrial establishment and private sector units, R&D and engineering. National planning and budgeting. War used for the preparation of 5-year plans, annual budgets, forecasting of income and expenditure, scheduling of major projects of national importance, population, employment and generation of agriculture. Defense services. Basically, formulation of war started from USA Army, so it has wide application in the areas such as development of new technology, optimization of cost and time, tender evaluation, setting and layouts of defense projects, assessment of threat analysis, strategy of battle, effective maintenance and replacement equipment, inventory control, transportation, supply reports, etc. Industrial establishment and private sector units. War can be effectively used in plant location, product, product and process planning, facility planning and construction, production planning and control, purchasing, maintenance management, personnel management, etc. For every problem, we use some methodologies. Methodologies of operational research: orientation, problem definition, data collection, model formulation, solution, analysis and information, implementation and monitoring. Linear programming, queuing theory, sequencing, transportation problems, integer problems, assignment problems, decision theory and games theory, replacement problems. Linear programming. It's a technique used to find a solution for optimizing a given objective. Objective may be maximizing profit or minimizing cost. Queuing theory. This theory deals with the situation in which queue is formed. Example: customers waiting for services, machines waiting for repairman, aircrafts waiting for landing strips, etc. Sequencing. Models have been developed to find the sequence for processing jobs so that total elapsed time for all the jobs will be minimum. Transportation problems. Transportation problems deals with the transportation of a product from a number of sources with limited supplies to number of destination with specified demands at the total transportation cost. Assignment problems. It's a special type of linear programming. It deals with in allocating various resources or items to various activities in a one-to-one basis in such a way that the time or cost involved in minimized and sale for profit is maximized. Decision theory. Decision theory is primarily concerned with decision making under the conditions of risk and uncertainty. Game theory is concerned with decision making under conflict. Replacement problems. When we use something, it goes to the bad condition. For that situation, we have to replace the thing, anything. All the equipments are related to be replaced because of obsolescence, discovery of new technology, better design of equipment. Operational research and management decision making. Operational research increase the creative capabilities of a decision maker. It increases the effectiveness of management decisions. Management is most of the time making decision. It is thus a decision science which helps management to take better decisions. Limitations of operational research. Magnitude of computation, non-quantifiable factors, distance between user and analyst, time and money cost, implementation. Thank you. I hope you understood the concept of war